Hey everyone, it's Marissa, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a back to school clothing haul for you guys. Yes,
I'm not going back to school.
if you guys are new here, I'm 21. I went to cosmetology school, done with high school, but I know that a lot of my viewers are in high school, and I have a little sister in high school, and so I decided to do this back to school haul just as some inspiration. Also, if you guys are new here, hi, my name's Marissa. I make 2 new videos a week, so make sure that you are subscribed. Hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much. But yeah, so I did really try outfits that would be acceptable for most to all dress codes. I tried to do a really good job of picking out outfits that would be acceptable for your school dress code. Obviously, I don't know everybody's school dress code, and everybody's school dress code is different, so I might have done a terrible job for your school. I'm so sorry. Also, probably most people are already back in school, but
Always use some more outfit inspirations.
try to take it as that. Also, during the, why do I keep saying the word also? And during the try-on portion, I tried to kind of match the outfits as I would wear, like how I would wear the fit. So hopefully you guys can kind of catch on to that and get some inspiration for that as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna
show you some cute clothes.
First, I'm going to show you this bomber jacket. This, I think, is so freaking cute. I saw this on their website, and I was like, I need that. If you guys don't already know, mustard yellow is one of my favorite colors, and it looks so good for fall. It's like a perfect fall color. But this is like such a cute bomber jacket. It's like a weird material. I don't know how to describe it, but I love it. Kind of like, I don't know. Cute. It looks like almost like an old, like, Letterman's jacket looking type of thing, but it's just gonna pull some fits together for fall. I know this already. Okay, next, just this little, like, shirt hoodie looking thing. So it has the little choker and then like the cutout neck, which is really cute, and it just says New York. This is so comfy. Like, when I tell you this is like the most comfy material ever, I'm not kidding. Like, it's so comfy, but it is a little bit shorter, so it looks good with like high-waisted jeans. Yeah, it's just very, very cute. You could even wear it with sweatpants and it would be super cute. The next thing I got is literally a mood for all of my high school. If I could wear this to work, it would also be a mood. It just literally is a gray t-shirt that says UGG, and I'm just like, facts. Facts. I feel you. But yeah, it's literally just a plain gray t-shirt. I love t-shirts. Like, I'm not even in high school, but if I was, I would wear t-shirts all the time. But I do it all the time anyways, okay? Like, that's normally my fit, is just like a plain t-shirt and leggings. So, the next, this is like my favorite t-shirt that I got from this whole haul. Like, I love this so much. But it's just this yellow shirt, and it says Tokyo, and like, I don't really know what it is, but it's just so cool looking to me, and it's very comfy. It's oversized, so I wore this like tied up with high-waisted jeans one day, and it was super cute. Shirt, I'm obsessed with it. Okay, the next thing is a dress. This dress was a little bit big on me. I don't even know that I would say it was big on me, because the like ends at a good spot on my legs. Like, it's not too short or anything, but it just doesn't have a lot of shape to it, so I feel like I would have to add like a belt or something with it, because yeah, I don't know why. It just looks like, it makes me look kind of like boxy. So, but it's really cute. It's just this like denim dress, which is super cute, very casual, and then it has like these 2 white and red lines down the side, so it kind of makes it look like sporty, but it's a dress. But it'll look cute with tennies. I can't believe I just said the word tennies. Like, what is that? Okay, it's just very cash but cute. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show is like an outfit, because that's kind of what I showed it as in the haul. I mean, I guess you wouldn't have to wear it as an outfit, but I think it's really cute as an outfit, and it's school appropriate. If it's not your school appropriate, then you need to switch schools. So it's just this kind of like tight type of spandexy, and it's really cute. It's just white, and then it has like black and red on it, kind of like a zip-up jacket looking bodysuit. It's really cute. And then I got these to go with it, which they look super cute together.
Cash and comfy, but like really cute, and I'm like...
So it's just these little sweatpants, which these would look good with really anything. And then they just have the checkers down the side, and then it's the red band. So it looks really cute, like tucked in and stuff. Yeah, I thought this was really cute. It reminds me of like a race car driver type of thing. I don't know. Okay, the next thing I got are these jeans. These are my favorite jeans that I've ever gotten from Fashion Nova, and I have like a lot of jeans from Fashion Nova. I love these so much. They are so comfortable. Like, I don't know why. But yeah, so I got these. They do have a few holes in them. Not sure what your school's policy is, but my sister said that her high school is you can have them like below the knee, like whatever the dress, like how short your dress has to be, the holes can't be like higher than that, which makes sense. So these just have holes on the knees, so hopefully you could wear them to your school. I know some places you're not able to have any holes, so I'm sorry if that is your dress code. Ends are like frayed, so they're very cute. They're like a dark wash, and they're literally just so comfortable. Like, I've never experienced comfier jeans than those. The next thing is really random, but I thought it was kind of cute, and now I don't know how I feel feel about it. It's cute, I just think I don't know how to style it. But it's just this long maxi skirt, and it's kind of like sporty looking because it's like red with the line down it, and then it's like slit at the ends. But it's just very comfortable and cute, sporty and different. So I thought this would be cute with like a white tied up like top or something. I think it'd be cuter if you wore a crop top, but you're probably not allowed to wear that in school. I just thought it was really cute, and like long skirts like that are so comfortable to me. So next thing is going to be this cardigan. I've really kind of grown out of cardigans. Like I used to really like them, and now they're kind of not my style. But I did really like this one for some reason. Like it was just screaming like you need to get this for fall, Marissa. So it's like this cute mustard colored, again, mustard colored. Like the other one, like I said, I just love this color. Yeah, and it's just this really cute like knit cardigan, and I thought it looked really cute kind of like off the shoulders. I really like it, and it's so soft, and it just is like hello fall. The next thing is going to be this top. This is really cute. So it's kind of mesh, so you would definitely need something under it. I think in the try on I just had like a tube top under it, and then it just says Bad and Bougie on it. I thought it was really cute, and it looks, I don't know why it looks so cute on. Like I just really like the way it looks. I really like that. The next thing I'm going to show you are some sneakers. I wore these once, so they're kind of dirty. Anyway, so here's what they look like. They kind of remind me of like the Yeezy, the new Yeezys that I want but can't afford, so Fashion Nova it is, you know? No, but real talk, like I don't know if I can spend that much on shoes because I literally ruined them. Like, look, I ruined these after one night. I just thought they were really cool sneakers. Like, they're just, you know, different and cool. I'm here for them. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is this t-shirt, and this is red t-shirt, and it just says California. And then it says, I don't know what it says, California State of Mind down the side. I thought this was super cute, and then it's just longer, and it has these like slits in it, and it just would look good with like jeans and sneakers or something, you know what I mean? Just very like easy. And then next I'm going to show you another pair of jeans. So these are some black jeans. I love black jeans. I have one pair of black jeans already, but they don't have any like, they're not cut up at all, they're just plain black jeans. So these ones have holes at the knees, which are super cute. And then again, the ends are like frayed, which is like my favorite thing ever in jeans. I don't know why. They make finding outfits a lot easier. Black jeans, it's just like cute. The next thing is going to be this jean jacket. I'm obsessed with this. I've probably worn it so many times since I got it. But yeah, just this plain jean jacket. I have a lot of oversized big jean jackets that are super cute. You can wear them off your shoulders and like it'll still cover your butt and stuff, but I didn't have anything that I could wear with like a hoodie. Like I love wearing like a hoodie and then put a jean jacket over it. I think it's so cute for fall especially. Got this so that I could be able to do that, and it's just so cute. It's like distressed all over. But I'm obsessed with this. It's not too big, but it's big enough to where I can wear like a hoodie under it and not feel suffocated. The next thing I forgot to actually show in the try on haul, so I'm really sorry about that. So it's just this high neckline like denim shirt, and I think it's so cute. So it's shorter in the back and longer in the front, so it's just so cute. I don't know. And then it's just like frayed everywhere. Black jeans, like just very so cute. Okay, the next thing is this skirt, and this skirt was actually a little bit big on me. You know, a small is like it fits my waist, but then my butt is like, and like if I bend down it's like all the way out, so it's like I can't do that. And then a medium fits my butt well, and my waist is too big, so that's kind of what I got. So I'd have to wear a belt with it, but I thought it was so cute. It's like this cargo looking skirt, and it's this cute like rustic color. It's really cute, and it'd be cute with a belt. So, and then speaking of belts, I did get a belt. So this is kind of like a, you know, inspired by the Gucci belt, but definitely not a Gucci belt because it's just two circles, but one day I'll get a Gucci belt. But I thought this was super cute, and nobody, like, literally I've had people tell me like, oh, wear belts with high-waisted tops and like crop tops, or like tops that show your stomach, because you know it'll keep that waist looking snatched. And I never knew what they were talking about until I started doing it. It's because the belt is like bigger, it just makes your waist look smaller. I don't know. I really love this. Okay, so the next thing you guys all have permission to make fun of me for, because I don't really know why I got this. I love it, so I don't really care. It's just this hoodie that literally has $100 bills all over it, and I'm just like, who in their right mind, who in their extra freaking ass needs this hoodie? But I saw it and I was like, oh my god, how funny. So then I was like, I need it. And then I was like, oh my god, I'm never gonna wear that. And then I tried it on and I was like, I love this. You know, it's just a cute hoodie for school. The next thing I got is this long bodycon dress. I thought, again, so comfy, so easy for school. But yeah, so it's just long. It's like a short sleeve, but it's super long. It goes to probably like my calves, and then it's just like olive green, like striped. I'm here for it. Actually, it looked cute with like this hoodie off of it. Like, just be cute, you know. Next thing is a pair of pants. These are really cute also. It's like, again, kind of like that rusty color, puffed up at the bottoms, but it's just like high-waisted. It has this little bow to it. It looks so good with something like tucked into it. I don't know. I really think it's super cute. So kind of a little bit nicer style than, like, you know, my $100 bill hoodie. Something a little bit more dressy, fancy. It reminds me of, like, the more I look at it, I'm like, wow, this is gonna be so good for Thanksgiving dinner. Like, I don't know why, I'm really ready for fall. And then the next thing I got, I'm in love with as well. It's just a pair of overalls. So I used to have a pair of overalls, and now they don't fit me right anymore, so I got these ones. These are so okay, so my card's almost full, but they're just these super cute overalls. And yeah, so that is the entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video next Monday or Thursday. Peace out.